kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today we are going to make a parrot, and as you can see I've done it very lightly. If you can see my parrot, I've done it very lightly so that I can teach you all properly, because it's a moving action and I did not want to make any mistakes. So before starting the video I've just done it rightly, but I will teach you the steps, don't you worry. So the first step is to start from the corner of the page. I'm doing it still lightly because it's a parrot and we are not going to use any markers. So you are supposed to write a 6. Can you see the 6? Okay. Now the 6 should not be completed, but it should be completed. मतलब it should be dark from here और इधर से थोड़ा सा light. उसके बाद ये हम लोग का जो पैरेट का गले का पट्टा होता है यूजुअली रेड कलर का होता है, कभी ग्रीन कलर का भी होता है. इफ़ इट इज़ अ मेल पैरेट इट विल बी रेड इन कलर एंड इफ इट इज़ अ फीमेल पैरेट इट विल बी ग्रीन इन कलर. ओके, ये बनाने के बाद वी विल टेक 3 dots चिल्ड्रन. ओके, आई एम बिकमिंग डार्क. फ्रॉम द सेंटर डॉट यू विल कम डाउन, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डॉट you will come down, and from the lower dot you will come up. Okay, and if you want to make the choch a little खुला you can just do this in case. Okay, after that ये 6 जो हम लोग का इधर से है, from here you have to come down to make the petu of the parrot. Okay, see you come down like that. Then this parrot which I have chosen is in the landing position. Okay, landing or the takeoff position. So we are just making one leg. So one leg is a muscular chicken leg. Okay, and after that they have their paws. The paws of birds are really very khatarnak, and they don't look nice. So we just have to make it. It is just dippy, and then the nakhun dippy, and then the nakhun goes behind here, and then from here it is gone behind. So this is the paw. Okay, अभी उसका दूसरा paw इधर आएगा, लेकिन इससे पहले because he is in the landing or the take off position, इधर हमको देना अगेन वापस से हमको चिकन का ऐसा लेग्स टाइप्स बनाने का. ओके, उसके बाद इसका ये वाला पॉ तो पीछे चला गया इसके. अभी ये वाला पॉ का नीचे का हमको ऐसे ऐसे करना है. इफ़ यू हैव सीन अ रियल पैरट, देयर आर मेनी वो रियली वो पैरट को पालते भी हैं. सो जो पैरट को पालते हैं उनको पता होएगा, उनके पॉज बहुत ज़बरदस्त लगते हैं. सो वी हैव मेड द पॉज. अभी इधर से जो उसका टमी गया वो इधर से ऐसे करके ऊपर आ गया. ठीक है, अभी इधर हम लोग को, और इधर से हमको वी हैव टू टेक द बॉडी अ बिट डाउन एंड वी मेक द टेल अगेन. आई मेड द टेल, वील मेक इट अगेन. ओके, और ये जाकर फिर मिल जाएगा. नाउ वील गो फॉर द अबाव पोजीशन, दैट इज़ द विंग्स पोजीशन. फॉर द विंग्स पोजीशन ये जो हमने 6 लिया है उससे थोड़ी जगह छोड़ के फर्स्ट वी विल टेक द बिगेस्ट फ्लाई. मतलब फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू टेक इट अप टिल देयर. ओके, देन दिस विल कम अ बिट इनसाइड. अभी इधर जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं ना वो सब हमको ऐसे ऐसे करके रखने का, बिकॉज दैट ऑल विल गो इन द कलरिंग पार्ट. ओके, सो ऐसे जिंग करने का है. उसके जिंग के बाद यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक पत्ता ऐसा ऐसा पत्ता. सो आई हैड डन इट इनिशियली ऐसे just for me so that I don't make any mistakes and there's not much of rubbing. Okay, so you have to keep on doing this and reach till the end. Now after I make this I'm going to, okay, never mind, but in case I don't want my pencils to be seen, so this is one wing children, and the other wing, this will come complete. Okay, fit the other wing goes up here. Here we'll make only 2-3 pattas in the sense क्या बोलते हैं उसको, wings का feathers. फिर इधर से थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ के देन इधर से वापस से ऐसा वाला ही करना है, लेकिन इधर हमारा 2-3 लेयर आ जाएगा. इधर हम लोग 2 ऐसे पत्ते बना देते, 2 या 3 ऐसे बना देते. देन यू कैन कम लाइक दैट. ओके, उसके बाद हमको वापस से लंबे वाले बनाने हैं जो ये इधर बना है, ऐसे और वो बाकी के पीछे छुप गए. ठीक है, आई थिंक सो दिस शुड बी अ लिटिल लॉन्गर. सो लेट्स मेक वन मोर फेदर विच इज़ अ बिट लॉन्गर. I hope it's all looking fine. Let's see. If there is any mistake, we will correct it while coloring. Now the down feathers. Now since first you have to make from here, see from the body, you have to make the biggest tail. I'm just making my book a little wakda so that I can do it. The biggest tail. Now my biggest tail is still gone behind. Okay, उसके बाद हम लोगों को ऐसे feathers जो होते हैं ना, जो actual में हमको दिखते हैं वैसे वाले बनाने. ये मैं जानबूझ के ऐसे वाला बना रही हूँ टेक ऑफ पोजीशन, सो दैट यू नो द फेदर्स आर वेरी क्लियर टू यू. So he is just about to fly, or he's taken something. Oh, we can do one thing. We can put a feather or a something on in his mouth. And I wish to make some sunflower or some flower over here. So I'm going to do that also. अभी जो आईज होती है वो ये जो चोंच का सेंटर पार्ट होता है उधर से उसका ऐसे जाता है और पीछे से ऐसे आईज होती है. आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट डार्क चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज वी हैव टू यूज डिफरेंट कलर्स टू डू दिस. Okay, now if you all are having pencil colors, please keep those pencil colors handy in your hand, because that is the most essential part which we will be requiring, especially in this drawing. Okay, so we will start step by step. First we will do only this part of the, I'm just opening my box. I am a bit late. So we have to take all greens, whichever greens you have, just take it in your hand. See, I have taken so many greens, all greens in my hand, including a grey green color, including a sap green color and our olive green color. So I have taken black instead. Yeah, we will require black too. Okay, I'm not wrong. And we will require few shades of yellow also. So see, so many colors. Okay, so many colors for a little pirate. उसके बावजूद हम लोग को white, black, brown सब लगेगा. So first only concentrate on a peculiar part, and that is, first you will take your yellow green color, children, your yellow green color. Okay, and do the matha. This is the most important color of the parrot. Okay, you do the matha and you take a turn. इतना किया. फिर येलो ग्रीन के बाद यू विल टेक द पोपटिया ग्रीन, विच आई यूजुअली कॉल द पोपटिया ग्रीन, एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट ग्रीन कलर इज लाइट ग्रीन. एक्चुअली आई कॉल इट पोपटिया ग्रीन. ओके, अभी इधर क्या करना है हमको, ये जो हम लोगों ने लाइट ग्रीन किया ना उसके बाहर देयर विल बी हार्डली एनी डिफरेंस विच यू विल बी एबल टू understand, but you still have to do it. Okay, after doing this you will take your yellow color and smudge a little yellow color right on the खोपड़ा. दिखने कुछ नहीं वाला, तुम लोगों को कुछ शेड्स का फर्क नहीं पता चलेगा, बट स्टिल यू हैव टू डू इट. नाउ यू आर टेकिंग योर लीफ ग्रीन कलर, चिल्ड्रन, सी लीफ ग्रीन कलर, डूइंग द बॉर्डर्स ओवर हियर. ओके, नाउ या ओके, देन ये जो आईज हमने बनाई है ना, ये आईज के इधर, फिर ये आई से टर्न लेकर ऐसे उसका काजल बनाना बेसिकली. ठीक है, और ये हमने लीफ ग्रीन कलर से उसका काजल बना दिया और ये बना दिया. अभी हमें क्या करना है, ये लीफ ग्रीन कलर का हमको काम वापस है, बट फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल टेक इज आवर ब्लैक कलर. एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग अ ब्लैक कलर, सिर्फ चोंच के ऊपर का हिस्से पे ऐसे ब्लैक, जहाँ तक उसका टर्न होता है ना उधर थोड़ा सा ब्लैक करेंगे. देन अगेन वी विल टेक अ लीफ ग्रीन कलर एंड डू अ लिटिल गुली 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 कच्ची कच्ची कच्ची, गुली 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 कच्ची कच्ची कच्ची. ओके, ये गुली गुली करके गच्ची गच्ची करके हम लोगों ने ये थोड़ा सा कलर इसको ऊपर उठा दिया है. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, आई नो सर्टन चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू टेल व्हाई यू टीचिंग सच अ टफ ड्राइंग. आई पर्पसली वांट टू टीच दिस because there is a lots to do. It might be a very big video, very big video, but see, I'm just using the leaf green and just doing pumpad 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 pumpad. Okay, here I'm not doing much. Then I'm going to take my light green color. I have to see the color to tell you which color it is. Very difficult for me because I just take the colors and I do it. I really don't bother which color it is. Okay, तो हमने इतना फेस कर दिया. अभी ये इतना फेस ख़त्म, सॉरी नहीं हुआ है. हम लोगों को इसमें डीप ग्रीन कलर लेके थोड़ा सा इधर डीप ग्रीन करना है, डार्कर शेड. इधर हमको थोड़ा सा डीप ग्रीन कलर करना है, डार्कर शेड. उसके बाद यू हैव टू कीप दिस चारकोल पेंसिल हैंडी विथ यू बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस वेरी ऑफन, एटलीस्ट इन दिस पेंटिंग. ओके, उसके बाद जो हम लोगों ने, ओके आई कैन यूज़ अ मार्कर फॉर दिस इंस्टेड. जो हम लोगों ने आईज बनाई हैं, तो आईज के एकदम सेंटर में हम लोग एक डॉट बनाएंगे. ठीक है, ये डॉट दिख रहा है. अब ये बहुत खतरनाक आँखें दिख रही हैं बाबू. तो हम लोग को इस आँख को अच्छा बनाने के लिए व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज यूज़ अ चारकोल पेंसिल, मेक श्योर दैट यू डू इट राइटली एंड जस्ट गो गोल. ओके, यू हैव जस्ट गॉन गोल ऑन दिस. अभी ये जो हमारा पट्टा है उसके ऊपर की तरफ हम ब्लैक करेंगे. हाँ, और ये पीछे जाते समय थोड़ा सा हम ब्लैक करेंगे. Is it a bit confusing? I know it is a bit confusing, but then you all will have to learn the steps if you want to do it properly. Now you take your lemon yellow color. Remember children, lemon yellow color, और आँखों के ऊपर से ऐसे, जैसे हम लोग की लड़कियों की आँखें जाती है ना, वैसे उसके ऊपर से ऐसे ऐसे काजल करते करते ऐसे ऐसे लाना है. So in this छोटा सा face we have used so many techniques, correct? And then you have to come back here. Understood? So much of shading over here. Now we'll do the chuchiya also along with this. So what we do is we take our orange color, okay, we take a black color, and I'm showing you how the choch has to be done. So you take your, instead of taking this, I think so I should take a pencil because that is too mota color. So I take my pencil to do this. Okay, now I take my charcoal nahi, sorry, this is the black color, and the tip has to be black. Now you're taking your red color children, leaving a little white patta. You just have to do guli 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 red. Okay, and then you will take your orange to smudge it. So we have done the choch with the white. In case तुम्हारा white नहीं दिखता है तो you should have your white pencil to make it white. Okay, so the choch is done and this patta is done. Now we'll come back to a little bit of different part. Keep your greens and yellows ready with you. See, I have everything over here. I don't know whether you're able to see it, but everything is here. Everything, huh? Now again we will take only this much part. See, only this much part, and we will go forward. So for that what we need is a popatia green and a yellow green. See, one is popatia green and one is yellow green. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हमारा जो येलो ग्रीन है उससे, सी इन दिस पट्टा कैन यू सी अ वाइट पार्ट लेफ्ट, वी हैव टू लीव दैट वाइट. ओके, so after the face it will become a little easy children, little easy, because face is a very essential part which you cannot neglect. So here I have taken my popatia green color. अभी इधर से उसका ऐसे इतना पार्ट हम करते हैं, फिर हम दूसरा पार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, इधर से जैसे इसका फ्लाई हो रहा है ना, तो इतना पार्ट उसका मसल्स, इधर से उसके मसल्स आएंगे, तो इधर हम लोग पोपटिया ग्रीन कर देते हैं. ठीक है, अभी पोपटिया ग्रीन करने के बाद हम लोग लीफ ग्रीन कलर है उसका यूज़ कर रहे हैं. If you allow me, I can go a bit faster, but I don't want to go a bit faster because I want to teach you all properly. So I have taken my olive green color. See children, parrots, थोड़ा सा olive green color, ये ऊपर की तरफ मैंने ऐसे ऐसे बालों की तरफ ऐसे ऐसे बनाया. Now what am I using is my medium yellow color and giving a little shading of yellow over here, but this will not solemnly be yellow. हम लोग वापस से इसमें पैरेट ग्रीन कलर लेके ऐसे ऐसे डैश 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 डैश. तो हमारा ये पार्ट हो गया है. दिस वॉज ईजी, करेक्ट. नाउ वील मूव फॉरवर्ड. बी वेरी केयरफुल ना, इफ योर हैंड्स आर डर्टी इट माइट गेट स्पॉइल्ड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज माई सैप ग्रीन कलर. तो अभी ये जो लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी है, उजाला तो ऊपर की तरफ से आएगा, तो ये जो पार्ट है इसको हम लोग को सैप ग्रीन करना है. समझ रहा है, ये पार्ट को हमने सैप ग्रीन करना है. अभी इधर से हमको ऐसे, जैसे हमारे बंदों में जैसे सलबट डलते हैं वैसे पैरेट में भी डलते हैं. अभी इसका ये जो हाथ को ऐसे छोड़ के इधर हम लोगों ने ये सैप ग्रीन कलर थोड़ी थोड़ी जगह किया, बट वी जस्ट हैव टू लीव इट लाइक दैट. ओके, and then from here the colors will again change. So this will go inside till here and it will come out from here and it will become, this part will also be sap green, which I'm going to continue later, but first let us concentrate on this part. Now for this part what you're going to take is your medium yellow idhar se halka sa, because this is the muscular part, correct, of the parrot. This will be yellow and here you are supposed to smudge the color. In case अच्छे से smudge नहीं हो रहा, you can use a different popatia green or your what is the other color which I was using, the parrot green and the yellow green color to do it. Okay, अगर फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है तो you can use your earbuds which I am going to use later on. अभी हम लोग ने क्या किया, अभी जब ईयरबड्स का कैसा होता है, बच्चे बोलते हैं कि हम लोग ईयरबड्स से नहीं कर सकते. वो क्यों नहीं कर सकते? बिकॉज यू प्रेस इट वेरी हार्ड. यू डोंट हैव टू प्रेस इट वेरी हार्ड. बड़े प्यार मोहब्बत से ऐसे ऐसे करना है. अगर प्यार मोहब्बत से करोगे तो वो अच्छे से समझ होगा. येस, इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम, बट द मोर टाइम you give to a drawing, the more beautiful it is going to come. Remember that. अभी ये जो है इसमें मेरे को ऐसा मन कर रहा है थोड़ा सा कालिया भी डाल दूँ. भीम वाला कालिया नहीं, हाँ ये कलर वाला कालिया. देखा मैंने थोड़ा सा काला डाला. अभी I'm going to smudge it off. Okay, here you will require many toothpicks. एक टूथपिक से काम नहीं होगा. So you all will require more toothpicks here. Okay, we'll go to this part later on. Now we'll complete this body. ये पैर हम बाद में, पैर चलो पैर कर देते हैं पहले. तो पैर करने के लिए जैसा हम लोग ने इधर से हाथ का अलग कलर लिया, वैसे हमको पैर का भी इधर से अलग कलर लेना है. नाउ देयर इज़ अ लिटिल ग्रीन इन योर कलर, बट यू डोंट वरी. अगर ग्रीन आ भी जाता है तो नो टेंशन. ओके, तो ये ग्रीन जिकी 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 जिकी. नाउ यू विल टेक योर पोपटिया ग्रीन एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ अ पोपट you require the poppy green. Jiki jiki jiki. Now you will use the olive green. Jiki 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 ja. Now just smudge it very nicely because you should not know. Even the parrot should not come to know कि मेरे बॉडी में कौन सा कलर किधर है. ओके, ये पार्ट हम बाद में करेंगे. तो द हैंड पार्ट और पीछे का पार्ट इज एब्सोल्युटली सिंपल. इधर येलो करना है, उसके बाद हमको पोपटिया ग्रीन करना है, और पोपटिया ग्रीन करने के बाद माय गॉड माय हैंड इज़ फुल ऑफ कलर्स. वी हैव टू टेक आवर सैप ग्रीन चिल्ड्रन. इधर से ऐसे करके, इधर से ऐसे किया सैप ग्रीन कलर. ठीक है, तो ये इतना हो गया. अभी इधर हम लोग करेंगे ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर. जो थोड़ा सा पार्ट बच गया है उधर हम कर देते हैं ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर. देयर आर मेनी कलर्स टू बी यूज. आई एम कीपिंग एवरीथिंग डाउन बिकॉज माई हैंड्स आर पेनिंग होल्डिंग देम एंड देन डूइंग इट दिस साइड. प्लीज स्टे अवे. नाउ अभी इधर हम लोगों का जो सैप ग्रीन कलर है, वी विल कंटिन्यू दैट. वी विल डू द टेल नाउ. टिल द टेल वी हैव टू डू इट. सो हम लोग ये सैप ग्रीन लेते हैं, इसको इधर से ऐसे, इधर बिंदास पूरा सैप ग्रीन कर देंगे. कर दिया. अभी हम लोग लेंगे थोड़ा सा ब्लैक. I am trying to avoid using pencil colors children because I know everybody will not have pencil colors. अगर pencil colors तुम्हारे पास होंगे भी तो तुम्हारे पास Staedtler के pencil colors नहीं होंगे, तो दूसरे pencil colors बहुत अच्छे नहीं होते. Oh, by mistake I took this. I have to take my light green color children. नहीं, leaf green color children, and then do this gully 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 gully. नहीं, before doing this, what I need to do is ये हाथ के पीछे ना इधर ऐसे थोड़ा सा काला कर देते हैं. जस्ट टू शो दैट दिस इज़ द शैडो पार्ट. ओके, ये जब काला हो जाएगा तो वो सुंदर दिखेगा. अभी ये जो लीफ ग्रीन है इसको ऐसे स्मच करते हुए ऊपर लेकर जा रहे हैं हम लोग. ऐसे 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 ऐसे. अभी द रोल ऑफ द ग्रीन ग्रे कलर विल कम. सी आई एम यूजिंग सो मेनी ग्रीन्स, करेक्ट. सो ग्रीन ग्रे कलर हियर. ओके, ग्रीन ग्रे कलर. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने इधर लीफ ग्रीन यूज़ किया. अभी लीफ ग्रीन से लाइट शेड होता है लाइट ग्रीन कलर, द पोपटिया कलर, एंड यू कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस ऐसे. डिक्की 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 डी 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 डिक्की 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 डी 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 डिक्की डिक्की डिक्की. ओके, सो द बॉडी पार्ट इज ऑलमोस्ट डन. But we need a little bit of Persian green now. See, this is the Persian green. इधर हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा Persian green का शेड्स डालने. जो हम लोगों ने छोड़ा था ना जगह, उधर हम लोग को थोड़ा सा Persian green डाल के स्मच करना है. Now you know I am very poor at this part, but then I do it. For me, you know, actually I like to do it with this. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मेरा इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा हो रहा है. But it's okay. See, even I can make mistakes. So can you. So ये हमारा पोपटिया का लैंडिंग पोजीशन ऑलमोस्ट तैयार. अभी हमको ये ऊपर का करना है या नीचे का करना है. फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू इज द नीचे का पार्ट. ओ माय गॉड, माय कलर्स. Actually, my table falls short. So let us start doing the lower part. Now to do the lower part, first what we require is our dark green color. We haven't used our dark green color abhi talak. So सबसे पहले जो सबसे लंबी पूछ है ना उसके ऊपर I'll have to remove these colors because I need to keep my book a bit this side so that my hand moves better. So many things, yeah. So this part, okay, I have to concentrate on this part. I'll keep all my colors in my hand like that except for my blacks because blacks is the one we require the most. See, I have all the colors in my hands now. अभी we have taken black. So सबसे लंबी शेंडी को ऐसे करके ऐसे किया. Okay, after that we'll take a sap green, children, only for the लंबा वाला. Okay, the pooch. उसके बाद, okay, the sap green color will come here. And then we have to take a leaf, poppetier green color and just do this. Pull the color out. So one feather, the first shendi wala feather is done. Okay, now we need to go for the other feathers, and for the other feathers what we require is a little bit of a darker shade, that is we'll take the brown color, buff color. Okay, now buff color has to be little, not much. Idhar kiya. This buff color will not remain as the buff color, it is going to change its shades, so you don't have to worry about it. So it will change shades. See, half I've done buff color. Now I take my olive green color. Where is my olive green color? Yes, here it is. I take my olive green color, I come down. I take my olive green color, I come down. I take my olive green color, come down. Here we will be taking a little bit of sap green also. So a little sap green color for this pattani feather. Okay, then again I take my olive green color. This is a easy technique of making it, but this is not the ultimatum. Okay, there are various other techniques also which you can follow. Now you need your earbud. I don't know where did I keep my earbud now. Shit, it's always like that with me. I don't know where I keep my things. Okay, so I've taken a new earbud, and what am I going to do is just smudge these. This is not the end of it. Remember that. ये ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. हमने buff color लिया, olive green color लिया और half किया, और अभी हम लोग उसको सिर्फ smudging कर रहे हैं हल्की हल्की. इसके बाद हमको और काम है, but this is the base. So just doing the base, children. Let me see how many people will make this parrot and really post it to me. Hurrah, hurrah, ho, ho, ho. अभी और काम बाकी है. Oh my God, I'm tired of holding these. Now I'm taking my pencil color, children. So I have my Staedtler pencil colors. So I'm using this color from my Staedtler pencil colors. Okay, I'm not using any other except for the darker brown, the gande wala brown. So this is my Staedtler pencils. See, so they write really very well. If you take the other normal pencils, they will not write. I'm not doing any branding for them because they're not paying me anything, but I like them. That is why I said in case you have your pencil colors. Now even I don't have these pencil colors. You understood whose it is. It is my daughter's pencil colors. She has all high quality things. High quality things. And she teaches me also use this, use this, use this. मैं बेचारी गरीब कुछ भी use कर लेती हूँ. See, now I am having my. Now this charcoal pencil is of Camlin. This is for 15 rupees, and my daughter has the same charcoal pencil, but she has it of Staedtler, which is of 75 rupees. So there's a vast difference in the quality, children, and vast difference in the dam also. So just like how the feathers are, you just have to make few lines. Now I'm using this. Okay. Now this is the tail which is basically coming out, and we just have to use one. So the tail is almost done. In case we require anything, we'll do come back and do it. So the tail is done. Now we will, since I have my stellar and this with me, I have taken my brown color. Can you see this brown color? What we have to do is, इधर घसर गुंडी करनी है हमको. They are very soft ones. The people who use this, you have seen people making with color pencils, beautiful painting with color pencils. They use good brands. They are so soft that you really feel like doing it. If you have a good brand of colors, paintings do turn out to be very nice. When we were small, we never had such we never even knew कि ऐसा कुछ exist करता है. It is only through my daughter that I have come to know that there is something called as Staedtler and there is something called as such colors which really do exist, and you should know how to use them. So I'm using my grey. I bordered it with my Staedtler. I'm using my grey and I'm going to use my charcoal pencil again to do the lower part. Oh, totally. Happy Holi. Today is Holi and I'm not gone down to play. And so, you understand, na? Holi is a tyohar which you really feel like celebrating. But it's okay. I'm playing with colors. Still, I am playing with colors. So this part is done, children. Now we need to go to the upper part. So let's keep things aside again, and then again we have to take a close and give a bow. So, a deer, da. Now we will take our yellow. नहीं, कौन सा कलर होता है इसका नाम क्या होता है? येलो ग्रीन. येलो ग्रीन लेके हमको ऐसे करना है और वो येलो ग्रीन के ऊपर हमको थोड़ा सा येलो भी मारना है. येलो ग्रीन के ऊपर येलो मारना है, बट दैट विल बी द मीडियम येलो. ओके, उसके बाद हम लोग लेंगे डीप ग्रीन कलर. वी टेक द डीप ग्रीन कलर एंड वी डू दिस पार्ट, अ वेरी शार्पेंड पार्ट. ओके, ये ऐसे किया, डीप ग्रीन किया. डीप ग्रीन के बाद वी टेक अ लाइट ग्रीन कलर. We take a light green color and we do a little bit of gully. It's not that difficult. Only the face you have to really concentrate. Oh ma. Oof. Face, yes, you have to concentrate. Now I did my tuta. It's here. So, just smudge it properly. What was I saying? Yes, this will be easy. The face has to be beautiful. If you all have ever seen, first I always make the face and then I try to do the different parts, because I know the different parts are not that difficult. This is my yellow green color again, children. Okay, and after using my yellow green color, I am taking my yellow gray color और ये जो part है इसका येलो ग्रे कलर करके मैं ऐसे कर दूँगी. नाउ आई विल यूज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिफरेंट टेक्निक. नॉट अ डिफरेंट टेक्निक, ऑफ कोर्स यू ऑल नो द टेक्निक्स. ओके, smudge it and then we will use our charcoal pencil. Where did I keep my charcoal pencil? Things always go shoppy shoopy shop. Never mind, I got it. So you just have to take it inside. You see, I'm holding all these inside. अभी ये थोड़ा सा हम लोग ब्लैकिश इधर बालों की तरह से It is going to be more than an hour for this. I'm going to put a fast forward video, but then if you all really want to learn the parrot, the fast forward video will not be okay for you. But in case you all need it, I can't help it. So I have started doing it. Now, our black. See, this is the jadoo of the parrot. I am not playing Holi, but I am playing with the parrot. I am taking dark violet color, I am taking black color, children, and I am taking gande wala brown. Where is my gande wala brown? Zopla re, kute re tu, mala nahi disat. I don't have my gande wala brown. How can that be possible? Yes, I have it. Okay. So now what we are going to do? Just check this one out. I am checking this out because in case my white pen is not writing, I am going to use a different technique to do it. So this one feather I have done. Okay, then I use my dark violet and I just do this. Now you all will be wondering why dark violet. Actually you have to leave a little bit of white veins type here. I was thinking of doing it with my white pencil, but my white pencil is a phokada like me. Otherwise what I will do is, I'll just check whether it really works. No, it's not working that properly. It works, it lightens the color, but it does not give a white effect. So we will have to keep such white spaces in between. Okay, so we will start quickly doing it. Now black. So blacky, 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 black. This is a very simple way of making it. It might be a little confusing, a little, but then this is the way it has to be done. Now इधर जो है, इधर हम लोगों को full blacky 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 black blacky 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 black. अभी हम लोग को इसको है ना अच्छे से करना है. Okay, so done this. Now you're going to use your purple and leave some spaces, white spaces. Okay, so you keep continuing. Purple, 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 purple. Understood? You're leaving some white spaces. Now you're going to use your gande wala brown and just put few browns and blacks and purples. So you have to dodge in with colors, a little brown required. So what we will do is, we will take the brown from this side and purple from the other side. And wherever required, we will lighten the color too. Now the purple color somewhere होगा, somewhere नहीं होएगा. मोस्टली तो तुम लोग इसको ब्लैक के साथ मर्ज करके एकदम पर्पल मत करना, नहीं तो वो बहुत ऑड लगता है. यू हैव नॉट सपोज टू डू इट डार्क वॉयलेट. इट इज़ जस्ट मर्ज्ड विथ योर ब्लैक टू गिव दैट इफेक्ट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट डू दिस पार्ट, leaving little whites here and there. See, there is no particular space to leave it, but just try to leave it somewhere. Okay, once this is left with no kharkhars, then you can use your white pencil to lighten colors somewhere. Like if you want to lighten it over here, just lighten it over here. Okay, so this feather is done. Now we have to concentrate on this feather. Now to your surprise, इधर हमने पर्पल किया, लेकिन इधर हम पर्पल नहीं करने वाले हैं, हम लोग इधर डिफरेंट कलर करने वाले. So keep this also in your mind. And again, मुट्ठी भर के colors in your hand. Now we start with a fluorescent yellow. Okay, now this part will be the fluorescent yellow. You know why we are doing fluorescent? Because when we do the background over here, this should highlight. Okay, this is the reason why we are doing fluorescent color. After doing the fluorescent color, we will use our light yellow color to smudge a bit. Okay, after that we will use a yellow green color. I'm playing Holi with my colors. What about you? So I'm using my puppeteer cream. Okay, a little bit of smudging. These dashes are all okay. Now when we are doing this, what am I going to use is my deep green color, children. See, I am using my deep green color to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. ओके, ये मैंने कर दिया। अभी इसके अंदर मैं पोपटिया ग्रीन कलर करके इसको शेडिंग करूँगी। So this is done. Now when we go to the other feather, this part we'll do yellow with the smudged parts. Yes. Now when we are doing this part, see this part will be yellow. Now see this part, how am I doing? I am first coloring it completely yellow. This is my lemon yellow color, children. Okay. Now here we are going to use the scraper technique. Be very careful here. These small things now will spoil your. See, I have dirtied it, but never mind. I'm going to do a dark color the other side. Okay. Now what you're going to do is every feather, this side you're going to use deep green. They are separate feathers, correct? So this side you're using deep green. We will use even blacks. Okay, after using deep green, we are going to use even a darker shade of green, that is the sap green color, children. We are going to use black also. So sap green color, somewhere wherever you wish to, you can put it. Okay, now if you are having a scraper, the top parts of everything will be scraped, top part of every feather. Okay, after doing this, what are we going to take is a black and do the below part of I can use a Staedtler instead. A Staedtler तो है नहीं. So this is the lower part of the leaf. Leaf नहीं यार, मेरे मुंह से leaf ही leaf निकलता है. Okay, now this looks a bit weird, so what we are going to do is just smudge it with the hand. Okay, after smudging it with the hand, we are going to take our Staedtler now make the feathers again. After making the feathers, you take your fluorescent color and come inside. Okay, come inside towards the parrot. So this is one part. Here I am taking a toothpick, children, because it's very difficult. Now I take my black, I give this feathers their boundaries and just take few steps up. Here again we need to give the boundaries and take few steps up. You can take your deep green color to show the finishing parts. Oof, very tiring, yeah. This is really tiring. Now, forget it. I'm keeping these pencils aside. Now what you're supposed to do is take your greens, your blues, your violets, and you start doing your background. Okay, till here we are going to do the darker shade of backgrounds, and lower will be the meadow part. So it's going to be a little different. So here you go. Here I have taken my deep green color, children. I am going to play with different greens and then I'm going to smudge it off very well so that it really looks nice. Okay, this is the green. Now I take the other green. You can take any green of your choice. No issues at all. You keep on taking different greens. That's it. Okay, smudge them properly and keep on. I'm going to reuse that green again. Now I'm going to take a little bit of blue. If I have a small tukda of blue, no, I do not. So here I take my Persian blue. You know why I'm taking this Persian blue? Because I want my parrot to be popped out. So if I don't take darker colors here, my parrot will be dabdo, which I do not want. So this is my Persian blue. Now this was my green which I was initially using. So I'm just going to do gully with this green here. Okay, and I'm going to take it over the blue because ultimately I do not want yes, when you do towards the corner we will have to be a bit careful so that part will be done. Okay, I'll use a Persian blue instead over here also so that even this part is highlighted well. Remember, you have to do a dark color and a light color combination wherever you feel that your poppet green, I mean to say your poppet is to be seen properly, please use those colors there. So I have used my Persian blue here and I'm smudging it with my green. Okay, here I'm going to use olive green now. Sorry, it's my green grey color. Olive green also I'm going to use after this. So this is my green grey color and I'm smudging my blue with my green grey color. Can you see the different greens being used to smudge it? Okay, so these are the different colors. Here when we come to the bottom, here we are going to redo it again with our pens, but before we do it we shouldn't make any mistakes as such. So ये किया, अभी वापस से मैंने ये green लिया. This is the dominant green which we are using, children. So just smudging it off here. Now this will not look good here. So I might take a little bit of violet instead of blue now. I'm going to take a little bit of violet here. Now I do this. Okay, when you come here, I take my Staedtler and I show you what is to be done. You cannot leave it khark. Oh, you cannot leave it khark. So what we are going to do is give a good touch up to it. This all touch ups we will give after our bordering is done properly. Okay, now let us use a lighter shade here because we have already used purple here, so we have to go in for a lighter shade here. See, so many greens and the parrot is green, but still everything has to be seen. Correct? So you have to use different color combinations, children. Remember, your color combinations will speak about your artwork. I've used a little bit of Persian blue again over here with the bordering part done here. So my green color, the basic green, you have to keep one favorite green with you, and then keep on doing this ghasargundi with that green. Okay, I had kept this emerald green as my favorite and I'm doing my ghasargundi with it, but that does not mean that I'm not using any other greens. I'm using different greens to give a different pattern. So I'll have to turn my book for this. Now here I'm not going to do any shading because this is the corner of the page. Now since this has to merge properly, what am I doing is putting a little blue again over here so that it should look that this is the same flow in which the color is coming. Just using it properly. इधर भी थोड़ा सा ब्लू कर देती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है इधर फ्लो सही नहीं आ रहा है, तो इधर मैंने थोड़ा सा ऐसे ब्लू घस दिया है. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ घसरगुंडी फॉर द कलर्स एंड चिल्ड्रन. You all will have to do a lot of घसरगुंडी. And I forgot to make the sunflower. Oh ho 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 ho. करते हैं, no problem. So okay, now this side will be only this color. We will require, we'll do only a bit of sunflower, okay, because I have already done so much. So we will quickly make a sunflower without making the sunflower actually. So this is our beach ka part, and then we use the orange. We'll just make few petals for it to look like a sunflower. Now we use the buff color. We will require the Gandewala brown. This is the buff color, children. I'm using the buff color. Then we require the yellow wala brown to do this part. Then we require the part to do this part, and then we do okay. Then we require the black part to do a little bit of black bundis. Sunflowers are easy. Okay, after doing this, we take a light orange color to do a little strands of light orange in between. It is just a flower. Whether it is sun or no, God alone knows. So let's do it. Let's make it like a daisy flower. Okay, after doing this, again we take our yellow color to make a few petals again, sharpened ones. Now this sunflower is going to shine after we do the meadow. So now here, the lower part, we are going to use more of lighter shades of green, that is grey green color, and the meadow color, that is the buff color. So we'll start with the buff color. Okay. See, we're making the lower part. The lower part has to be the lighter shade because we are having the meadow here. And we don't have to show where the meadows are ending and where the sky starts. So, just smudging it properly makes it look better and better. So, this is my Persian green, children. You all can use your emerald green. Emerald green also looks very beautiful when you do it. All colors are beautiful. I am playing Holi today because I haven't gone down to play Holi, so I have used many colors to make my parrot. Actually, I was trying to make a macaw first, but then I decided let's not make a macaw. Macaw, how, macaw, how. Macaw. Okay, so now I use my deep green color. See, difference between the colors is only little, but you still need to do this to make your things look beautiful and pretty. You need to play with colors without showing the difference in the meadow and the sky. Now this is a little towering. I want my sap green. No. I want my black to make this border tag. La. Okay, so I'm using this black so that my bird gets popped up. But this is not black, so I'm going to enter my green and bring it down. Eyesight. Okay, so this part will be like the shadow, but is actually not the shadow. We've just made it black so that it can be highlighted up, so that this part is highlighted up. Okay, now I'm going to use the black to highlight few other parts also, which I'm going to show you shortly. Now this is a long video children, I can't help it. When you all tell me to make such tough ones, I cannot make that ऐसा 2 and 2 लिख कर पायरेट बनाकर दिखा दिया, वैसा वाला मेरे को नहीं करने का भैया. मेरे को करने का है, वो भी करने का, ये भी करने का, सब कुछ करने का है मेरे को. तो जब मेरे को सब कुछ करना होता है तो आई हैव टू, you all have to have patience with me and I have to have patience in teaching you. Correct? So now this is the कालिया color, not छोटा भीम वाला कालिया, the कालिया color. अभी मैंने इधर कालिया कर दिया, लेकिन ये कालिया नहीं है, तो हमको इसको घसर गुंडी करके बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा ऐसा. Now see my hands. Oh my god, so much of handy work. Now I'll just take 2 minutes children and dust my book. Okay, and I need to clean and I need a nice, okay, now wherever you feel, take your fluorescent color. In case you have a fluorescent color, please do use your fluorescent colors, because that will give you the uthala matlab the bestum part, which will look just wow. Now this is the female parrot which we have made children. So this does not have a red patta, in fact it has the green patta. Okay, now this part can be done a little fluorescent to be highlighted. You know why? Because see, this is dark, so we need to highlight this part. This part we already done fluorescent, correct? I need to keep on wiping it because it's fluorescent. This part, what you can do is just scrape few parts off and now I can use my red, I think so, my red. Okay, the parrot's chuchia. I need to highlight this part a bit, so, and I cannot even make the lower part dark. So what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? See, I'm just making the parrot's beak again with my pencil colors. With a little white. अभी मेरा white ही छुप गया, जितना भी करती हूँ मेरा छुप ही जाता है. Oh, in case you have that whiteboard marker ना, उससे बहुत अच्छा था. अभी तो ये और भी छुप गया. So before I post you all, I'm going to put a white patch over here with my acrylic color, because this isn't working. Even if I try my Staedtler white, I don't think so it's going to work here. I don't think so it will work. No, it's not going to work here. So I am actually going to do this. Now you just have to bring everything here, because your sunflower should also not look artificial. Now sunflower का पीछे का पार्ट में भी ना ऐसे 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 करके we just made a flower to show the meadow. Now somewhere you can put your dark colors here. See, ऐसा. Smudge it very nicely children, and then see, somewhere you may require to put a little bit of more blues and more greens, so your smudging has to be done well. अभी जो हमारा कोने का पार्ट था, कोने का पार्ट के लिए मेरा को अभी मेरी स्टेडलर पेंसिल मिल गई. अभी ये पार्ट में हम लोग को जस्ट अभी तो ये पूरी टूट गई. फॉरगेट, दिस विल नॉट वर्क नाउ फॉर मी. I do not have a darker shade, but I can use the Staedtler black. You have to use sharpened pencils or Staedtlers to give a good effect children. अभी जैसे ये पत्ता है, इसके इधर हमको थोड़ा सा डार्क ग्रीन करना चाहिए. सो लेट्स डू इट. Wherever you feel you should use a darker shade, please use a darker shade. And wherever you feel there should be a little bit of scraping to make your things a bit visible, please do scrape and show what you have done. Okay, very essential. Now this is not looking nice. You have to put blue here. So what basically we have made is a parrot flying, the green Indian parrot. We have not made a macaw, but still we have played a holy, because we have used so many colors in it except for a little bit of red. Otherwise, for me the red color is very dominant. But somewhere where you need to show the shadows, like now if I have to show a little bit of shadow, this side I will just put a little black here, I'll just put a little black here and just smudge it. You can smudge it with a, and then post it in Canvas and Scissors group, which is an FB group for children. I like to see the paintings when they are posted, and the first one to see them, because every night when I am go after sleep, first thing what I do is I listen to 2-3 poems, and after listening to the 2-3 poems I just go to Canvas and Scissors and see the paintings, and I appreciate them in case, or फिर सो जाती हूँ. Okay, so bye, tired today, so tata, happy Holi.